Like many travelers, I like to use luggage from this excellent brand called Generic. How do I make mine stand out from the crowd? Personalized luggage tags. I made these tags using a free downloadable pattern, and you can use any cotton fabric that complements your luggage. So let's get to it. For this project, you will need cotton fabric, bias tape, scissors, a ruler, fusible interfacing, a fabric marker, clips, clear vinyl, and an iron. Print the pattern and cut out the pieces. Make sure to include this notch, which indicates the top of the pocket. Cut out and discard the center rectangles of the pocket pieces. Use the pattern to cut out 2 pieces of main body fabric, 2 pieces of main body interfacing, and 1 piece each of the pocket interfacing, and clear vinyl. Also, cut a 12-inch length of bias tape. Center the main body interfacing pieces on the wrong side of the fabric pieces and iron for at least 10 seconds to fuse. Make sure the shiny, bumpy side of the interfacing is down on the fabric. Repeat to fuse the pocket interfacing to the pocket fabric. Snip the inner corners of the pocket down to the interfacing. Fold the fabric edges down on the wrong side and press. Center the clear vinyl on the wrong side of the pocket and clip in place. Sew close to the edges of the window. Clear vinyl can stick in sewing machines, so it helps to have wax paper under the vinyl to help feed it through the machine. After sewing, you can just tear out the paper. Fold over the top edge of the pocket 1/4 of an inch to the wrong side and press. Top stitch across the folded edge. Sew close to the open end of the bias tape. Center the pocket on the bottom of the right side of one of the main body sections. Overlap the ends of the 12-inch bias tape strip and center on the top with the rest of the tape down on the pocket. Place the other main body section on top with the right side facing down and clip in place. Sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Leave an opening of a few inches just below the pocket. Make sure to backstitch at both ends. Trim the corners and turn the tag right side out. Use a stick or something pointy to poke out the corners. Fold the opening edges together and top stitch on all sides close to the edge. The luggage tag is now complete. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave any comments or questions you might have, and I'll see you next time.